Hello, in this video I want to show you how to decorate your orbiter in Warframe. And to do this, first we'll need to click on Escape, move to our equipment, on the bottom select Orbiter, and here you'll be able to change your orbiter appearance, change your landing craft as well, but we want to decorate it, so let's click on that. Then we can move around like a ghost around our ship, and with one we can place the decorations. And then there's multiple different options you can see on the window in the right side of my screen. We can rotate it, push it, pull it, scale it, and do whatever basically we want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.